And it has two interfaces, USB and eSATA. Now, let me tell you about eSATA. eSATA is the latest kind of connection today. Just to make it more simpler, your USB can transfer up to 480 Mbps of data from from your hard drive to your system. Okay. If you use eSATA, you're transferring up to 1,500 Mbps. That's about 3 times the speed of your USB. People would say that why don't we just use the FireWire 400 or the FireWire 800? Actually, the FireWire 400 transfers up to 400 Mbps. So the USB 2.0 leads above the FireWire 400. But with the FireWire 800, you can transfer up to 800 Mbps. But with eSATA, you can transfer up to 1,500 Mbps. Imagine the speed. You don't believe us? Well, we're going to put it to the test right now. So check this out. First, welcome to our secret command center where we do all the Techisland tests. So what we have here is a docking station set up. It's plugged to the wall outlet already and the power is set to off. We have 2 cables connected. We're using an Asus P5B Deluxe motherboard which has a built-in eSATA port at the back. So this is the eSATA cable already, ready to plug into the device. And this is the USB cable also, as you can see, that's the difference. Okay. We're going to test it with both and show you the exact speed of data transfer. The hard drive of choice is a Western Digital 1 terabyte hard drive. Okay, it's 1 terabyte, so it's a huge hard drive. We're going to test it in. And first, let me show you how to plug the hard drive and eject it. So just again, think cassette tape, think 80s. So you plug it in. There you go. And after you're done, you eject it. Okay? It's that simple. So no need to buy bulky enclosures for all your data. So let's see how it works. I'll see you how fast eSATA does. Okay. Now we also have a timer here, thanks to the iTouch. We're going to show you the actual transfer speed. Okay. So let me do everything first. Remember, to be safe, the process is put the hard drive on. You can hear a click, and then make sure that the power is off. So if it's pressed, then it's on. If it's depressed, it's off. And then plug the power cable, okay, which is already plugged to your 220 volts. And then first, we're going to show you the speed of transferring via USB. Okay, the USB is connected to the PC. We want to show you here. This is a USB cable. We're going to plug it in. There, it's connected to the USB port. Now, we're going to plug it in to the back of the device. There you go. As you can see, our PC hasn't detected it yet. So I'm going to switch the power on, and then there's a blue light that will come up. And you're going to hear your hard drive power on as well. So in a short bit, just like any hard drive enclosure, it's going to connect, it's going to launch on your PC as an external enclosure connected via USB. So, see? So it's launched already. Now, we're going to open it. This hard drive is empty. Sorry, we had a transfer earlier. We're going to delete that. As you can see, this hard drive is empty. I'll show you the space. It's 1 terabyte of space, okay, available. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this file. Let me just prepare my timer here. So, let me just prepare my timer here. Now, I'm going to show you the file size that we're going to transfer. Guys, we're going to transfer 4.37 gigabytes of data to the hard drive now via USB, and we'll see how fast the speed is. Okay, so this is an HD video of the movie Kingdom. So we're going to copy it. Okay, now before I paste it, I'm going to prepare my timer. Or sorry, I'm going to prepare my stopwatch. So when I press start, I'm going to press paste at the same time again, okay? Hold on, let me reset that. Ready, set, go. So it's now transferring the data. So as you can see, we're almost done. It's around 3 minutes, and well, that's USB transfer rate. Okay, going at 480 Mbps per second. It's almost done, and we're locked at, there you go, 3 minutes and 45 seconds transferring this full HD 4.37 gigabytes movie of the Kingdom. And we'll show you the movie's gonna play. Just to show you that the file is really working. There you go. So full movie up to the end. Now we're going to do the same process again, but this time connecting it via Esata. First, let me show you that I'm going to delete the file, so the file won't be there. Okay, it's deleted. There you go. And again, it's 3:45. We're going to reset our timers. Now, before you disconnect this, just like any hard drive enclosure, you first go to the safely remove hardware of your computer, and then make sure to disconnect it first before you shut it down. So press stop. Let me close this, and I'm going to disconnect it. There you go. When it says that the device can be safely removed, go to the back, switch off the power before you remove your hard drive. Remember, it's very important to switch the power off before you remove your hard drive. Okay, so we're going to pull it out now. There you go. That's how it works. So what we're going to do is, well, actually, you don't need to remove the hard drive. Let me put that back on. Let me just pull out the USB cable and plug in the Esata. Again, we're using an Asus P5B Deluxe. It's a sort of like a year-old motherboard. Most new motherboard nowadays have Esata ports at the back. If you're buying a new system, make sure to choose a board with an Esata connector at the back. It's very important because it's going to be the new type of connection on the coming days. So here is the Esata cable. I'm going to plug it in. There you go. So I'm checking if my hard drive is safely secure, and I'm going to turn it on. Esata. There you go. Okay. There. So again, it launched by itself. This is the Media F2 hard drive. This one, I'm going to show you the properties of the hard drive. See, it's 1 terabyte and it's empty. It's actually the same hard drive. So we're going to copy the same file again. Let me reset our timer. Okay, well, it's reset already, and I'm going to copy the same movie. Okay, look, the properties. It's 4.37 gigabyte. Copy, and ready, paste. There you go. So it's copying again, this time via Esata. Remember what I said before, Esata can transfer up to 1,500 Mbps per second. It's soon, there's talk about it becoming the standard soon, replacing USB and FireWire. But it's still at the beginning stage, but so far I'm very impressed. Here at Tech Island, we are all very impressed with the speed. And to prove it, here it is. At 30 seconds, we're almost 1/4. And right now, we're approaching half. As you can see from the meter here, I think we're just about halfway now at 44 seconds. And going to a minute now. We're almost there. We're very close to the end now. Compared to the 3 minutes and 45 seconds a while ago, this is fast. It's now 1 minute and 5 seconds. As you can see, there's just a few 15 seconds more actually on the data meter of Windows Vista on the same 4.37 gigabyte file. It's not that tiring for me to hold this now for just a minute. Something like earlier, I had to hold this for 3 minutes and 45 seconds. We're almost done. There you go. Stop.